If you have a USB drive or an SD card that you formatted with a file format that is unrecognizable by Windows and you cannot access it anyways in Windows, like this, I inserted an SD card now in my PC, and you see here that I cannot see the SD card anywhere in the PC. It is not visible. So even if you go to Disk Manager and you see the SD card, which is here, it has many partitions. If you try to delete a partition, you cannot delete it. If you go here and try to change the drive letter, you cannot do it. The way to clean it up is by using the Diskpart command line in Windows. Careful, because the command I'm gonna show you, it will delete all the information on the disk. Click in the search box, key in CMD, right-click command prompt, click Run as Administrator, launch the command Diskpart, and here we need to first list the disks that we have. So key in the command list disk, press enter. We have 4 disks in the computer, and this is the one that is giving us trouble. This is a 32 gigabyte SD card. Here you should be very careful because we're gonna select the disk. It's very important to select the correct disk because the next command will clean everything on the disk, so it will wipe it. So key in the command select disk. Here it is number 2. It will tell you disk 2 is now the selected disk, and this is the command to clean the disk. So simply type clean and press enter, and you see here that the disk now is accessible in Windows, and you can simply right click on it, click new simple volume, create the volume you want. You can assign a drive letter now and perform a format. I'm gonna choose to format it in FAT32. Next, finish. And now the disk is accessible in Windows, as you see. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful. I would appreciate it if you subscribe to my channel, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.